Hi, this is Pakhi Garjola, a medical aspirant studying in Aakash Institute, Rudrapur Center. Currently, I am in class 12th and is supposed to give NEET exam in 2022. But during this pandemic, it has become really difficult to be consistent with the studies and manage the things. But Aakash Institute is really helping us a lot to cope up with this. The daily online classes and the regular doubt sessions are helping a lot. Also, the teachers are really helpful and supportive, and they are always in the spirit of motivating the students, which is the best part of it, I believe. At last, I would just say be safe, stay at home, and let us fight together with this.